So this page has the kinders, and then I'm gonna give you the TKs. Here's the TK. And basically how to read this right now. So I haven't, because I'm not a data wizard, I have not put percentages for everything, so let me just tell you what the percentages that are there mean. So you can see for each student, there's 4 questions, right? Number 10, number 14, number 15, number 17. It shows up above what the correct answer is, and then next to their name, what answer they put, right? So like if we're looking at Stephanie Alonso, for example, the first one, she put B, the correct answer was C, and then it's white because she got it wrong. Whereas like for number 17, she put D and the answer was D, so it's green. Okay. And then this blue line right here, that's the end of, what's your class, right? Yeah, yours is the first class, and then yours is the second class. Starting here, going on to the next
Starting
page.
blue one, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so these percentages down here are just how many students got that question right. In the total percentage over on the right, that's just the students' percentage on the test. So like Stephanie got 25% because she got 1 out of 4. So I haven't totaled all of those to see like, oh, the class as a whole got 43% or whatever. But we could do that easily.
Okay. And then a question, this is just the math ones, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then they were tested in their native language?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, good questions. So just take a minute to peek over it and kind of wrap your head around what you see, and then I'll kind of facilitate.
Some of the questions, because I didn't really get to look at the test, right? Really.
Oh yeah, I have it. You want to see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The other questions were, I can't think of another word, but this is not necessarily what I mean, like filler, not filler questions, but like, are we going to be looking at those as well?
So I only did 4.
Oh, so
yeah,
the test
I
was
only
1?
had them tested on 4
Oh,
questions.
okay.
Yeah, like the test itself, I can show you had, I don't know, 10 questions or something, just because there were multiple problems on a page.
Oh,
but I told
okay.
the ATs like only test number 10, number 14,
Got
number
it.
17. Yeah.
And then the reading parts and everything were just different, or same test, but different?
This was just math.
Okay.
Yeah.
I know, all your teachers. Except for Michaela Chang, she won.
But hey, it shows they learned something in last year, right?
Casey was
All your
there.
kinders anyway. This is a TK and this is a kinder. You can take a peek at the questions if you want to. Somebody else's student, but just to give you some context.
So I have.
Couture is not here, everyone is not here, but.
Yeah, I was gonna ask about those kids. I'll ask you later. I know I'm missing a couple kids in this data set.
And then I actually have 2 TKs.
Who are they?
At the bottom, Regina Banyos. Sylvia Medina.
She's TK.
She's actually a TK, and then also Mia Garcia, actually a TK. Now, when we tested them, we didn't know they were TK. I didn't know they were TK, I don't think.
Okay.
Um,
I'll have them, what I'll probably do is have them retested. We can still get, even though there's a couple kids missing and these kids are testing on the wrong thing, I'll go back and get that resolved, but we can still make a goal based on what we have, I think. One other thing, just so this is a little easier to read, for like, when we're looking at the TK data, if you look at OA2, there's some kids who have a 0 and some kids who have a letter. If they like did something funky where they didn't actually circle a letter, I just put 0. And then for number 3 on the TK, that one was a constructed response. So it was like it was the balloon problem.
So they need to write 5 plus 5.
Yeah, I had to write 5 plus 5, right? So some kids wrote 5 and 5, but they didn't write a plus. And so if they did that, I gave them, it was a 0, 1, or 2. So if they wrote 5 and 5, I gave them a 1. It was like they had the numbers right. And then if they put 5 plus 5, it would have been a 2. And then if they did something random, unrelated, or like the wrong numbers, I gave them 0. Okay. Are you okay with
Yeah.
moving into SMART goal?
Yeah.
Okay. What I'm seeing like some, just like, oh my gosh.
No.
Baseline data.
That's what I'm seeing in my class.
Yeah. Okay. Well, good. I mean, it's accurate. That's what
That's why I laughed. It's funny. I like look at this kid and I'm like, that's a 0. And I'm like, I'm having the same problem, you know, like just like it's just funny. I can imagine their personality, just looking at their numbers, just like imagine them testing and just being like, I don't know what you're saying.
I know, and it's also fascinating. Like there's so much green here.
Yeah.
That was an addition problem, as opposed to I think this one with like no green, which is subtraction, right? So they're just more familiar with addition, and it's easier to them. So anyway, we're going to some sense. So we can. I just want to open this up now for us to brainstorm SMART goals. I definitely recommend that we look at the sample ones, but we want to make sure that we're following this,
Yeah.
right? That it's specific, it's measurable, ambitious, results oriented, time bound. I have like a couple ideas. Like I said, I'm not a data wizard, but I have an idea, and really it's just based off of one of the sample ones, and we could go off of that. Does that sound okay as like a starting point?
Yeah.
Yes, Catalina, you too?
Mhm.
Okay. So I was looking at this sample one, on the last page of the little packet that I gave you. And it says by May 2015, 80% of all first graders will move from 29% proficiency to at or above 80% on specific standards as measured by blah, blah, blah. So I was thinking doing something like by June 2016, 80% of all TK and kinders will move from whatever proficiency they're at. I know I haven't done the total yet.
What's right there? Like mine is actually 29,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yeah, you're just putting 29. Yeah, so from 29% to at or above 80%. And then the remaining 20% of kids who aren't proficient will achieve an average percent correct. And we could make it 50% or 60%, whatever we think is ambitious yet attainable. And then we could put the benchmark, goals along the way.
I think your classes, your percentages are higher.
Yeah, and that was the other thing I was thinking is like, if we want to split TK Kinder, because there's obviously different, 0% versus like 29 or 20 or whatever it is in the Kinder. So I don't know if we want to like group them all together or separate them. What are your thoughts? So have kind of like separate goals for,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, just because if not, then it'd be like, it's like very tender, which is fine, but if they have to go through the whole thing again next year, that's not gonna feel too kind of contradictory.
Tell me clarify what you mean.
Well, so I think